In a big win for copyright law and classic Bollywood lovers, the Delhi High Court has officially stepped in to protect one of India's most beloved cult films, Andaz Apna Apna. Yes, the 1994 comedy masterpiece featuring iconic characters like Amar, Prem, Teja, and crime master Gogo is now shielded under a special legal order against misuse, fake merchandising, and even AI generated content. So, here's what happened and why it matters. Recently, the Delhi High Court issued what's known as a John Leo order, a powerful legal move that allows action not just against known infringers but also unknown or unidentified ones. This order came after a lawsuit was filed by Vinay Pictures, the production house behind Andaz Apna Apna. Currently represented by Shanti Vinay Kumar Sinha, the legal ear of the film's late producer Vinay Sinha. So, why did they go to the court? Because over 30 parties were allegedly misusing the film's copyrighted material, including its characters, title, dialogues, costume, and even catchphrases without permission. We are talking merchandise, digital content, domain names, and even AI generated clips based on the film. And the High Court didn't take this lightly. Justice Amit Bansal, who was overseeing the case, issued an ex parte interim injunction, which means the order was passed without hearing from the other side first. Due to the urgency and seriousness of the matter, the court agreed that the plaintiff had made a strong prima facie case, and if protection wasn't granted immediately, it could lead to irreparable loss. And here is the legal nonce. The judge also pointed out that if any poor quality merchandise or fake content makes its way into the market using the Andaz Apna Apna branding, it could damage the reputation of the original creators because fans might think it came from the official source. And now here's even more bigger takeaway. This case is more than just about a nostalgic film. It's about intellectual property rights, about creators and their heirs getting due to credit and control over the legacy they have built. The characters from Andaz Apna Apna, whether it's Amir Khan's Amar, Salman Khan's Prem, Paresh Rawal's Teja, or Shakti Kapoor's crime master Gogo, have become more than just film roles. They are cultural icons deeply etched in public memory. Catchphrases like Aila, Uima, and Teja Mehu, Mark Idhar Hai are instantly recognizable. And that's exactly what the court acknowledged, that these elements hold significant secondary meaning in the public consciousness, meaning they are not just line or visuals anymore, they have become intellectual properties with brand value. The order also extends to mirror websites, redirect URLs, and allows the plaintiffs to add more infringers if new cases emerge. This is a smart legal move because in the digital age, copying content is easier than ever, and this order builds a legal shield for the film's legacy. So, what does this mean going forward? It means that no one, not a merch seller, not a meme page, not even a movie studio, can freely use anything from Andaz Apna Apna for profit without permission. It means that vintage Bollywood isn't up for free grabs, and most importantly, it sets a strong precedent that nostalgia doesn't mean no ownership. Because even decades later, Teja Mehu still holds its mark, and now legally so. So that's it. Now, what do you think on this? Do let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal.